Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, north-central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 1 p.m. At 12:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Green Lane, or 16 miles south of Allentown, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Quakertown, Percy, Souderton, East Greenville, Green Lane, Jerryville, Telford, Sellersville, Pennsburg, Coopersburg, Red Hill, Ricklandtown, Trumbowersville, and Silverdale. This includes northeast extension between mile markers 34 and 46. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks, Lehigh, and Montgomery.